This is a messy room, isn't it? Mommy keeps trying to catch you reading your book, but I have not been successful. Huh. Can you smile? What is that? You're funny. What do you see? You see buttons to push. And laundry. Ah. You want to push the buttons?